In this scene, people are seated in a hotel, enjoying their meals, when unexpectedly, a significant flare-up erupts from under one of the tables. The sudden flames create a tense moment, but fortunately, everyone stays safe. This incident highlights the critical importance of regular safety inspections, especially in areas hidden from plain sight. It also emphasizes the need for proper emergency protocols and staff readiness to handle sudden hazards. Such situations remind both businesses and visitors to remain aware and prepared, reinforcing that precaution and vigilance can prevent serious harm. In this scene, we see how important it is to maintain a secure environment in industrial areas, especially when children are present. A young child, unaware of the risks around him, tries to climb onto a metal piece that isn't properly stabilized. As the child reaches the top, the object shifts due to imbalance, causing him to fall along with the loose equipment. This moment highlights how easily unexpected situations can occur when proper safety steps are not followed. It reminds workers and visitors to always restrict access to active work zones. Proper supervision and simple precautions can prevent such incidents. This scene encourages everyone to stay alert and prioritize safety at all times. In this scene, people are moving normally along the road, unaware of how quickly situations can change. A truck is traveling at a steady pace when a fast-approaching car from behind loses control and makes contact with it. This sudden impact causes the truck to tip over and slide toward a motorcyclist nearby. Thankfully, the rider remains unharmed due to quick awareness and distance. The moment highlights how essential it is for all road users to maintain safe speeds and keep proper space between vehicles. It also shows why defensive driving can help avoid unexpected hazards. Overall, the scene is a strong reminder that alertness on the road can protect everyone. In this scene, a truck driver is getting his vehicle's tire inspected at a workshop, following a routine safety check. While the process seems normal, the tire suddenly fails due to internal pressure issues, causing the heavy wheel to move unexpectedly toward the driver. This moment shows how even regular maintenance tasks require proper precautions and distance. It highlights the importance of using safety barriers and recommended tools when working with high-pressure equipment. The scene also reminds workers to maintain a secure position and avoid standing directly in front of components under pressure. Overall, it reinforces the value of training, awareness, and safe procedures in industrial workshops. In this CCTV scene, traffic is flowing smoothly as vehicles and a lone cyclist move along the road. Everything appears routine until the cyclist passes by a large tree without realizing the condition of its branches. At that moment, a heavy portion of the tree suddenly breaks and falls directly into his path. This unexpected event highlights how important regular tree maintenance is in public areas. It also reminds road users to stay alert, as natural elements can sometimes create sudden challenges. The scene encourages city authorities and communities to inspect trees near busy roads to prevent such incidents.